my goodness. What is this, my friend?
Chapati.
Oh, you're not going to prepare the chapati? I can't believe this. Oh my goodness. This is... Oh my goodness. This is not looking good. Look at that. And this is Home Science Club too. You did this by yourself? Wow.
The teachers. Yeah.
The teachers assisted you?
Yes.
My viewers, this is the Home Science Club in Kijani Ridge School. And guess what? Today they have prepared chapati. Oh, I'm a lover of chapati. Look at that. So nice. I believe it is very yummy. Of course, I've washed my hands. So, isn't this very good? Let me taste and see. Oh, let me see. So yummy. Let me see. And for you? Nice. Come here, my friend. My hands are clean. So we go. Yummy. And there we go. Oh, this is so nice. I can't wait to eat the rest of it. Yummy. Oh, thank you so much. Now this is mine. Bye. See you. Thank you. Bye. See ya.